Hello, welcome here sa Miracle Tech Shooter. So, meron tayong gagawin for this time. And ko-configure tayo ng isang umada natin. So, configure natin to. This is an ER605 Umada Gigabit VPN router. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is set natin bandwidth control. And before that, reset muna natin. So, paano mag-reset nito? Meron tayong reset switch here. Reset switch. And so, reset muna natin tong ating VPN. So, meron tayong pin. And this one. And press natin. Hanggang mag-blink yung light. Yan. Then, let's release. Yan, nag-off. And let's wait. Mag-restart yung ating VPN. So, ang gagawin natin dito, isaset natin ating VPN bandwidth control and set natin yung mga IP addresses na pwedeng mako-cover sa ating bandwidth control. So, that's what we're going to do, and hope guys I share you something na worth it na gagawin kung paano mag-bandwidth control dito sa ating TP-Link Umada ER605 VPN router. So first, plug in na natin yung ating, so medyo nag-initialize pa kasi wala pa yung isang blink. So plug in na natin yung ating RJ45 na cable. Naka-plug in na sa ating laptop. Plug in natin. And the default IP address nito is 192.168.0.1. So let's go to Google and let's try 192. But meron muna akong konting gagawin. So, sa network ko sa ating laptop, magsaset muna ako ng IP address ko. Sa DHCP, using DHCP ako. So, hintayin lang natin na mag-on yung ating VPN. So, wala pa sa system. Dapat mag-blink yung ating system. Sabi niya. Hintayin na lang natin. So first off, medyo matagal siya actually. Matagal siyang initialize. Matagal talaga. Ilang minutes yan. So yun. Nag-blink na ng ating sys. So let's go to Google. And type natin ito. Okay, so first off, lalabas itong for device security, please set an administrator account. Okay, mag-set tayo ng username. Let's sample lang natin. Hindi naman na ano. Password admin 12345. Admin 12345. Okay, confirm. So, pasok tayo dito. Have the admin and admin 12345. Login. So, upon login, meron lalabas po ating pinaka first na setup. We have the quick setup. So, pero hindi tayo mag-quick setup dito. Ang gagawin natin is first off, titira tayo sa preferences. What you're going to do in preferences and transmission, we have this bandwidth control, quality of service. So, dito tayo mag-bandwidth control to control yung ating mga devices, data allowance each, or kung naka-router man tayo. Okay, there's no hindi natin pahabaan, diretso na tayo. Sa first off, let's go to IP group. Let's go to IP group and check natin IP address. Okay, dito tayo mag-rearrange ng ating mga IP address. So first off, let's name, gawa tayo ng 5 Mbps. Range natin, since yung default check muna natin yung default LAN natin, so all this default IP address ni Amada is the 192.168.0.1. Yun na lang yung gagamitin natin. So let's go to IP group, IP address. Let's click add, and then after clicking add, this one. After clicking let's do a 5 Mbps. 5 Mbps. IP range 192.168. Let's try 0. Let's start from 20 to 192.168.0.50. So that's a range from 20 to 50 IP address. That's 5 Mbps. Okay. Next, add another one. Let's go for a 30. Okay, let's go do the 20 Mbps. 192.168.0. So 50 yung last natin. So 51. So I will go to 192.168.0. Let's go to 60. Okay, let's add another one, 192.168. So that's 20 Mbps. Let's go for 30 Mbps. 192.168.0.61. 192.168.0.70. So yun yung range natin. We have the, let's edit, lagyan natin ng description. It's 20 Mbps. Okay, other one is, that's 30 Mbps. Okay, and let's go to IP group. Gawa na ng IP group. So we have a 5 Mbps address name, 5 Mbps address name. Yun yung ginawa natin dito sa IP address. Okay, next, add. Let's go for 20 Mbps address name, 20 Mbps. Okay, add. Let's go for the 30 Mbps address name. Let's go for the 30 Mbps. And okay, so That's how we set the IP group and the IP address. Then let's go now to the transmission. We have bandwidth control, and after that, let's plug in our internet mamaya, which is this Starlink. And let's check enable bandwidth control, then save. After saving, let's go to add name 5 Mbps 1 all. Then we have IP group. IP group, using the group na ginawa natin, 5 Mbps. Maximum upstream, that's the upload. So let's stick to 1000 kbps. And downstream, that's the download. 5 Mbps yung pangalan natin with 1 Mbps equals to let's say 5200 Mbps. We have individual. The difference ng shared and individual is shared, they will only share for that 5 Mbps. Individual is every unit that's set from that range of IP address will be given a 5 Mbps speed. So next, add. We have 30. Oh wait, let's do the 20 Mbps first on IP group, and let's go for 20 Mbps individual. 20 Mbps, let's do 21,000 and 10,000. See if it's work. Next we have the add. Let's go for the 30 Mbps 30 IP group 1 all. Let's check 1 all. Then we have the IP group company 30 Mbps. Let's go for a 31 and same 10 Mbps. That's the upstream, downstream, and individual. Okay, so that's easy how we use the bandwidth control. Okay, sa quality, that's quality of service to so that's how we set our bandwidth control for this VPN. So to test it, let's connect. Let's connect, plug in internet here, and let's try. Anak na an internet tao. So first off, I have an internet provider ko is Starlink. So yun yung ating pagsasaksakan using a Starlink. Okay, plug in natin. And let's check. So going back to the here, let's check status ng ating kung meron siyang na-detect na internet traffic. Okay, there you go. We have a 1 network. Let's go to 1. And naka 1 mode ako. Detecting yung IP address, primary address ni Starlink. That's okay. So fair and square. Let's try to do some speed test according to the range of our IP group. According to the range dito, according to the range of our IP address, let's try to do some speed test. So first off, I will change my IP address, my laptop IP address. I will go for first, I will go off dun sa So I'm going to edit my IP address manually. I will set 192.168.0.11. So I will go for the 5 Mbps. Sorry, I cannot show you yung ano. And let's try speed test. First off, plug out ko muna ang ating laptop. Again. See if there is an internet for it. And let's plug in yung ating password. Admin 12345. Log in. Let's see our traffic. So we have the connection. Let's see our RP range 190.168.0.1. I go for 255. Save. And I'll click refresh. Right off. 90 dito. Sige dito. Come on. So let's check IP group, IP address. Oh, wait. 192.168.0.20. Let's details. So check. I have wrong eh. So nag-start pala tayo ng 20. So, okay. Plug in, out. Let's try. Oh, please do me a favor. Okay, what we're going to do is let's restart our VPN pala. I forgot. So after editing, after doing things, let's go to admin and let's system. Where are you? Restart. I'm going to do management and reboot natin yung ating So we need to reboot yung ating system para yung configuration natin is magawa. Let's wait for it. Sadyang matagal talaga. Tayin lang natin to initialize. It takes time to do the initialization. Dapat na yung MacBook ko. I'm doing some video. Ang mahirap kapag walang opisina. Kailangan sariling privacy. So, yeah, let's go. Let's try. Let's refresh. Let's try the Google Form. Oh, why? So, try this check. Fresh. Hindi pa rin kung kumakagat yung ating setting. Oh, the packet is not giving. Unlimited at 168.0.21. Okay, let's go. So here we go. Let's try speed test. Test rfast.com. Okay, there you go. So that's the range. Let's try the 30 Mbps, which is ang set natin sa 30 Mbps. Regroup. Ganyan. Let's check the preference IP group, IP address. Let's check this 20 Mbps. That's 192.168.0.51. I will change my laptop IP address. I will go for 52. 192.168.0.52. Okay. Detected. Let's go for a speed test. Let's try. 20 Mbps. See kung hit niya yung 20 Mbps. Okay, that's 19. That's yan yung ating good siya. So that's the bandwidth control is effective. So that's 19 Mbps. And let's show the other one. Upload speed. So if there is a good upload speed. We set a 10 Mbps upload speed niya. So that's 7.5. So pumagat. Let's go for the 30 Mbps. Range is 192.168.0.62. Let's go for 62. I'll change my IP address of my laptop so that we'll try 62. Okay. And let me try speed test. Hey, that's 31 Mbps. So it's good, it's working, and hope you guys learn something from here. And mix up yung language ko, but hope nakatulong ako kung paano natin gamitin yung bandwidth control using the IP range or IP address. And of course, pwede siya using VPN setting per VPN. Pwede siya. But for now, this is using the IP address. So, hope you guys enjoy and thank you. Follow me on Miracle Tech Shooter. Guys, thank you for the support. And salamat po.